Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the visual editor in your WordPress. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the WordPress site. Then what you need to do is simply click on the login button. Then once you click on the login button you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put in your login credentials there you have to just simply click on the users icon from here, and once you click on the users icon you have to just simply click on the profile icon here, and then you have to just scroll down like this, and once you click on the scroll down you will get the option of visual code option here. Since I don't have that, but in your case it's supposed to be show like this, and then what you need to do is just simply click on the here. You can see that the disable syntax highlighting when editing code, just simply select it, and after that you have to just simply click on the update profile, and that's how you can just easily disable the visual code editor in your WordPress. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.